click that subscribe button down below and give this a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Today's look is inspired by Coachella and basically just summer vibes. Summer's like my favourite time of year. I do like the winter, but it's just not as exciting as the summer and everyone's out in the summer. So yeah, keep on watching and I will see you guys at the end of the video. Bye! So as you can see, I've already just done this eye so I can copy it on this side, but it looks really good actually. So we're going to start off with the base of the eye. So I've already concealed and things like that. I'm just going to powder it with this white shade. Sorry, the sun is like straight in my eyes and I'm trying to make it so you guys can see. So with like a fluffy brush, just go in with the white all over the eye. And then we're going to go in with a pink shade, which is this shade here. I don't know the names of these at all, but we're just going to use this as a base colour on the inside and the outer corner. And just put that all over the lid. And then we're gonna go in with NYC, I think this is deep pink. Yeah, this shade deep pink. And strengthen up that pink a bit. And then instead of curving it round, we're going to flick it out at the end just to make a more dramatic effect. And it doesn't matter if it's not like completely tidy, because who cares, if you're at a festival you're going to get sweaty anyway. And then I'm going to go in with a bit of purple, and this is from the Arbonne palette from Primark. We're going to go in with this pink here. Purple, I meant purple. And then just put that on the outer corner and into the crease. And then just blend all that into each other. And then gonna cut the crease from like the inner corner upwards. And this is Illuminator by Iconic London. I think summer has to be the best time of the year. Like, sun's out, everyone's out, they're all having like a good time, partying. Not that you get the best weather in Scotland, but you know. And then back in with that purple shade on the same brush, just to smoke it out a little bit more. And then we are going to use a blue colour for underneath the eye. Use like a thinner brush. And this is meant to go far down, so don't worry about, you know, how far out it is from your line. and then bring it all the way out to the outer corner. I'm actually going to go back in with a black liner and smoke out the top lid. And then the inner lid. There we go. And this will all come together. Right now it looks really dodgy, but I promise it'll come together. And then after that green, we're gonna go in with a blue. I don't know how to focus that so you guys can see that. Because right now I just look scary. I take that blue colour, and just for quickness I popped on my fake lash, but we are going to go in with the glitter now. So I'm going to take some glitter, and this is from barryM, and I'm just going to basically put this all down my cheek because that's where all the glitter is going to go. And you can't really go to a festival without a bit of glitter. I've just went a wee bit over the top. So this is also from barryM, and this is just a teal colour, sort of fine glitter. I'm just going to take some of that and pop it on underneath. And then on top of the glitter, add some more of the glue. Okay, that's too much, Chelsea, too much, well done. And then I'm going to take some of, so I've got these two little pots of glitter. One is like little heart shapes and one's just like diamonds. I'm going to go in with the heart shape first, and with the same brush just take some of them and pop them on. And this gives it a bit more sparkle, and then sort of like spread them about a bit. And you can do it as much or as little as you like, but it reflects like really good in the sun. The Arbonnes. And pop them on too. I just went in my and then my other eye doesn't seem to look as pink as that one, so I'm just gonna go back in with the pink. Literally carve it out. And then just to bronze up my face a little bit, I'm going to go in with this palette. It's called Mother Home. Go in with a big massive MAC brush with a brownish shade, and then just pop that on my cheek, on the forehead. There we go. And then a little bit of highlighter, not that I need it. Not that this look needs anymore, but just for a little bit more definition. All I can see is like stuff flying everywhere. For the lips, then for the lips I'm going to take this nude shade. Guys, I can't help the lighting. And then take that on the lips. And then I'm gonna do these funky little dots. And this is the completed look. So if you enjoy these videos, you want to see more crazy looks like this, then please subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the summer, enjoy your summer 2018, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!